Dry brown patches on your lawn and watering just isn't working? You've probably got thatch buildup. Now you can get a picture-perfect lawn with the 15-inch Electric Scarifier plus Dethatcher from Sunjoe. Scarifying your lawn at regular intervals cuts grass roots below the soil and encourages growth for thicker, healthier turf. And regularly using a Dethatcher helps cut down on dense masses of roots, stems, and grass clippings that build up over time and starve your lawn of essential water and nutrients. Ordinary manual rakes are tiresome to use and not very effective. Sunjoe starts instantly at the push of a button to get the job done without polluting the atmosphere with toxic carbon emissions. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, the Dethatcher rakes a 15-inch wide path in a single pass to get your work done fast with spring steel raking tines, designed to maximize thatch pickup and stay sharper longer for maximum performance. Equipped with a 5-position depth control knob, Sunjoe lets you tailor the raking depth from 0 inch below the soil to 0.4 inch above the soil, and your scarifying depth from minus 0.4 inch below the soil to 0 inch above the soil. No gas, oil, or tune-ups make the Sunjoe Dethatcher your eco-friendly choice for reviving your lawn. Plus, every Sunjoe is backed by a complete 2-year warranty for worry-free performance season after season. So let your lawn breathe and go with Joe, the 15-inch Electric Scarifier plus Dethatcher from Sunjoe. Get equipped.